Whole lot of cars here. 53 signed in so far, and it's a Tyndall Ford. Parked everywhere, as you can see in the drone video. Daryn's changing some things as usual. It's a hot one. It's night one of the World Outlaws versus Summer Nationals here at I-55 in Pevely. Should be a good show. She looks smooth. Let's see how she turns out. It's been pouring the water to her the last hour. It's 90 degrees. Sun's been out. See what happens.
Daryn goes, "You missed the whole top." I said, "Well, Daryn, fuck, I can't see that." I said, "I also missed the bottom because I can't crawl under." Right. We'll try it again.
She's looking good, Bax, looking good. We ran out of paint. Fire drill start the night off with.
Fired up.
Inside on the back straightaway, driving car 77.
Up. 30, 38. Up.
We're good. 77. The sharp, Carter Sharp on the racetrack. 21 days ago.
Well, we got no tire guy tonight, so that means I'm tire guy. Just got them all ground, flipped the right rear. We destroyed the rear ones in hot laps, as you saw how crappy it was. Supposedly they're gonna rework the track. We're gonna hot lap again and then qualify. We'll see what happens.
In the flesh. Complete track rework after hot laps.
will be the 19th car out to qualify in Group B. 19th out of 26. Made a couple of changes on the right rear after qualify our hot laps. See if we can get it better for qualifying.
Group A's on track now.
Rocket, Daryn Klein's Appliances and Bedding, Conan Heating and Cooling, Liquor Harness, and Resin Graphics, Menards Auto Sales, Penske Racing Shop, CC Food Market, number 10, Daryn Klein, the St. Augustine, Florida, and the Walmart Products Schools, Concrete, Racing Building, Hospital, Earnhardt Technology, Swiss Racing, CC Racing Market.
Klein gets around this place awfully good as well. Behind the wheel, that red one, number 10, Daryn Klein, 17th quick, 13.928, 1-3, and a 2-8 from Daryn Klein. 13.826, and 14th quick, 1-3.826 for Mills. Daryn Klein trying to roll on by, it'll be a 13.928 officially for Klein.
Well, after a 20th place qualifying run, track really started slowing down. About 6 cars before us really dropped off. We will roll off 7th in heat race number 5, taking the top 3. Modifieds are qualifying now. We have choked it, we have changed the gear, and he's figuring out what else he wants to do with it. But heat races will be coming up here shortly, I do believe. It's 9:30, so hopefully soon. We have no idea what we're doing, but we're having fun. Ogre's making all kinds of changes over there, under there. Either it's going to be real good or it's going to be real bad. We'll see here in a little bit. Literally had time to grind the right rear, put fuel in it, and they're sending us back out. We will roll off 5th in B main number 2, taking the top 2. see what we can do. A little bit of work to do.
Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you stop by the official merchandise trailer for the Extreme F1 Media Series. Check out all the merchandise trailers here located just behind turn at number 4. But plenty of new gear, t-shirts, hats, hoodies, die-cast cars, so much more at the Extreme F1 Media trailer. So a lot of good items out there. Don't miss out. Grab your official merch today. Commemorate your stop here too. I-55 Federated Auto Parts.
Do you have this fabricated?
Oh, who's
Good look at the leader, Zach, or the second place, the former leader, Zach Dahm there in the 97. Might be back to the 5 tomorrow night. We'll see how it plays out. The reason they had both cars out, I asked, are you running both cars tonight? They said, Zach is running both cars. I said, how's that going to be possible? They said, well, we're going to run one tonight. It's too hot to work on that car after the event, so we're just going to roll it in the trailer, roll the other one out tomorrow. I said, that's brilliant. But if Dom gets up there and he's going to win tonight, Gavin Miller 5th, Joe Worth 6th, Cameron 8th. Zach Bowden.
I have no idea what it is.
Well, that's all we're going to do for tonight. We'll put her in the box here. It's 12:30.
2 laps to go in the feature. BP32 leading. It's over with. He won. McCready was second.
That's going to do it. We'll be back here tomorrow. Another hot day. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. And we will catch you all tomorrow.